Hey guys, today we will talk about pool clarifier and pool flocculant, how they work and when you should use a clarifier and a flocculant. Just imagine your pool is full of tiny microscopic particles of dirt, algae, skin cells, and lotion. These particles are so small and light that they just float around and passing right through your pool filter. Because the filters cannot trap them, they just keep going back into the water, making your pool look cloudy. Both clarifiers and flocculant have the same basic job. They act as magnets to gather those tiny particles into larger clumps. However, how they do it and where those clumps go are completely different. Think of a pool clarifier as a helpful assistant that works quietly in the background while you go about your day. So how this thing works is you pour the clarifier into the water and it travels around bringing the tiny particles together into a medium-sized clump. These clumps stay suspended into the water, but they are now big enough for your pool filter to trap them, but they are not too big that they will just sink to the floor. The catch with this one is that it's gonna take some time to clear up your pool. Your filter will need to run 24/7 and it can take 2 to 3 days and sometimes 5 days for the water to completely clear up. The bonus with this one is that it requires very little effort and it wastes zero water. Now think of a flocculant as a heavy-duty demolition crew. This is incredibly fast, but it creates a bit of a mess that you have to clean up manually. How this thing works is that you add the flock into the pool and this thing is going to aggressively bind those tiny particles together into a massive heavy clump. So if you think of it as a magnet, this thing is kind of like as strong as a refrigerator magnet, while this thing is like a heavy-duty magnet that will grab more particles together. Because the clamps are so heavy, they don't float anymore. Those particles are going to sink rapidly into a thick layer at the very bottom of your pool. The catch with this one is that the filter cannot do the work. In fact, you have to turn your filter to recirculate or bypass so the flock doesn't clog up your filter and ruin it. And to get the dirt out, you must manually vacuum the pool floor directly to waste. So the bonus with this one is that it's incredibly fast. Your water can go from cloudy to crystal clear in 24 hours. The clarifier will work on all types of filter with sand, cartridge, and DE filter, while the flocculant will only work for sand and DE because most filter cartridge doesn't really have an option to vacuum to waste. You want to use the clarifier when the cloudiness is mild. If you can still see the bottom of the pool but just looks a little dull or hazy, a clarifier is perfect. If you're busy and you don't have time to manually vacuum the pool and prefer to let the equipment handle it over a few days, you use a clarifier. If you have a cartridge filter, those filters can easily handle clarifier clumps, but heavy flux can clog and ruin the pleats of a cartridge element. You want to use a flocculant when a pool is a complete disaster. So if your water is so cloudy or green that you can't see the bottom, a clarifier will take forever to clean your pool, but with a flocculant, you can clean it in 24 hours. If you're in a rush, let's say you have a big backyard party tomorrow and you need your pool looking pristine by the morning, you want to use a flocculant. If you have a sand or DE filter with a multi-port valve that allows you to vacuum directly to waste, you can use a flocculant. But before you use each chemical, you always want to make sure that your pH and sanitizer level is balanced first. Sometimes balancing the pH is all it takes to clear up a hazy pool.